Hey everyone, today I have a video for you showing you how to wash your wigs properly. I've already shampooed this wig once already, so now I'm washing it again to show you how to wash your wig properly. Start by fully saturating your wig with some warm water, getting through all the hair fibers. Also use this time to detangle your wigs with your fingers. You will then want to grab some sulfate-free shampoo and most importantly, lather up the shampoo in your hands first before you apply it to the hair. I found that this makes the shampoo stretch a lot further. Now apply all of this shampoo to the hair and wash it in, and I would suggest washing the wig in a downwards fashion. That way the hair won't tangle up as you shampoo it. Once you feel like you've washed the hair thoroughly and detangled it properly, you can then go ahead with rinsing it out. When you go ahead with rinsing the wig out, make sure you also rinse it out in a downwards fashion, at the same time detangling the hair and combing it through so you can make sure that you get all the soap out of the wig. I didn't record the part where I applied conditioner, but here I am just rinsing it out with cold water after leaving the conditioner on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes if you leave the conditioner on for too long, let's say like an hour or even 30 minutes, it can make the hair super greasy and super oily, even when you rinse it out for a long time. So the best tip I would suggest is applying the conditioner for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinsing it out with cold water, so that way the moisture is locked into the hair, but then the wig is not too greasy. And this is the final result after letting the hair air dry for about 24 hours. The hair is defined and has movement and is not stiff in any way. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and thank you for watching.